Right then, we're going to start putting the platform down for our bath in here. We've already got our pipes and waste through the floor there from next door because we've finished the ensuite now. So we're going to start taking this old bit of ply up and start building the platform. Okay, let's have a quick recap. All our new joists are down, all nicely tied in, secured to the floor, all nice and level. We've got our new ply down, it's 25mm ply because we've got a fairly heavy bath going on here. That's dry fitted at the moment because we've got to get the bath up the stairs. I'll show you the stairs. That's going to be interesting. So that's the stairs. And then we'll get it put up here, dry fit, make sure we know where the waste is going to go, make sure we know where the tails for the taps are going to go. And then we can screw all this down, and then I will go over with hardy backer board, secure all that so we can tile everything in place and put the front section on to tile that. So let's do that, shall we? Okay, quick recap. We've got our tails up for our tap, we've got our waste going to come through after we've tiled, we've got our tails through for our rad, we've got our aqua board down, a bit of adhesive screwed down and jointed and feathered, so we're just ready for a bit of tiling now and then we're getting there. Okay, that's the bath in place, tap in place. We've grouted it all and tiled it and grouted it all yesterday. We've just got to get the rad in now and then we're done. So we're pleased with that. There we have it, all finished. Turned a nice little dead end of a bedroom in a nice listed cottage. It's a nice little stylish area with a freestanding bath and traditional style radiator. Cool. Really pleased with this one. Beautiful bath, lovely freestanding tap there. Great. I think that looks really smart. Lovely. Alright, let me know what you think of the bath. I think it looks quite cool in the copper and nickel finish. Yeah. Great stuff. Let me know what you think. See you in the next one.